Welcome. In this tutorial, we're gonna find out if it is possible or impossible to change your username on Crunchyroll using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for crunchyroll.com. And then just go ahead and log in your account. So as I said earlier, this tutorial we're gonna find out if it is possible. So let's get started. So first, once you've done logging in your account, just go ahead and click on your profile photo at the upper right side of your screen and click on my account. So now once you are on your account, what you need to do is to find any options that is connected on usernames. So first of all, let's just go ahead and check here on the membership info, and it will redirect us here on this window. Okay. So as you can see, for the account settings, you only have the email and password, privacy, and all these preferences, subscriptions, settings, my devices, social integrations. So the only options here that is connected on username or have the possibility to change our username is the email and password, right? So let's just go ahead and check on email and password. Okay, so now let's just wait again. So here on change on the email and password, we can only change our password. And let's just check on change email. So here we can only change our email address. Okay. So I believe it is not possible to change our username here on Crunchyroll because if you remember during creating your account, it says that once you set your username, it is permanent. Okay, so it means you cannot change it whatever you do. Okay, so as of now, it is not possible. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.